Today I'm going to be working on this clock. I purchased it from Sean Barnes here a while back. Uh, so it's a New England clock made in Bristol, Connecticut. And so let's get started. First thing you gotta do is take off the hands. You unscrew the nut, and then you could take off the hands. The hour hand is friction fit. But it comes off. Next thing we need to do is take off the backboard. These clocks have a movement, or typically a case inside of a case, but there's two little screws in the corner here, one on each side. I have my ultrasonic cleaner turned on. The thing I didn't know about my ultrasonic cleaner, when you adjust the heat settings until you actually put something in into the cleaner and turn it on, it preheats. It's been that way for a week or so. This clock is different from my other clocks. This actually has the movement inside the case without another case being inside the movement. This has gongs. Next step is I'm going to have to take the I'm going to have to get the chains off, but the chains has been pulled all the way up, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to get the chains off without damaging the chains. I'm going to see if I can make the chimes go off, which will lower the chains, and then I'm probably going to have to put a weight on the time side for a couple minutes to get the weights, the chains down. The hands don't want to move. Messing with the lever here on the side to activate the chimes. That's what I'm finagling with. it's actually working. You could see that. But I have to get the chains down enough to take the clips off so I don't damage the chain. I might be able to get the strike side chain off. Not quite. Grabbing a hold of the link and then twisting the clip is what I'm in the process of doing. It's just that I don't have a lot of room, so I need to maneuver the chains some more. But I'm going to put the weight on the Chimes side so I can get to the links. I'm going to move the activate the music some more so I can get to that link, and then to take the chains off, and then to take the movement out, I just undo these two bottom screws, and that will bring the movement out. But y'all don't need to see me do all this, so we'll come back to the next video when I got it all out. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.